Welcome to Module 5 of the Outlier content system, the psychology behind scroll-stopping ideas. Today, we turn philosophy into an actionable content engine. You've mastered the mindset, but how do you package your brilliant opinion so that the scrolling brain instantly slams on the brakes? That's the challenge. In the previous modules, you established the foundation, creating signal, trading in the premium market, leading with opinion, and manufacturing authority. Now, let's weaponize that foundation. If your content is still getting scrolled past, it's not because your knowledge is bad. It's because your idea's packaging is made of cardboard, not titanium curiosity. Imagine your dream client scrolling their feed, fast-paced. Their brain is on autopilot, filtering, conserving energy. Watch what happens to generic content. Tips to grow, how to improve sales, value-packed threads. Scroll, scroll, scroll. The brain sees sameness, it sees noise, and it continues past. But then, this appears. The subtle trap I set on the first sales call that makes a client beg to pay me. Slam. The scroll stops. The moment that specific, curiosity-driven idea hit the screen, your brain wasn't scrolling for information anymore. It was seeking resolution. Your content isn't ignored because it's bad. It's ignored because it's predictable. Predictability is the fastest path to invisibility. The brain doesn't stop for information. It stops for tension, for gaps it needs to close. The content must create a mental itch. The first weapon is the Zeigarnik effect. The human brain hates unfinished tasks. Your idea must open a loop that demands resolution. A scroll-stopping idea is incomplete, specific, and slightly uncomfortable. The tension created forces engagement. The brain must get closure. Use phrases like "the secret" or "what nobody tells you about." These are literal psychological triggers that promise common knowledge is flawed, creating an immediate gap. The open loop is powerful, but to make it irresistible to your high-ticket client, you need to add the second weapon, hyperspecificity. The brain dismisses generalities like "improve your sales." It's fog. It conserves energy by ignoring anything vague or non-committal. Hyperspecificity, like the 3-sentence email that landed a $25,000 project, creates an immediate mini-movie in the viewer's mind. It demands attention because it feels real and achievable. Your idea stops being content, and it becomes a question the viewer urgently needs answered. That is the operational psychology of the Outlier content system. If your ideas don't create tension, they won't create attention. Apply these psychological formulas and watch the difference. Subscribe for Module 6, where we break down how big creators manufacture authority and tie these powerful ideas into an unshakable personal brand narrative.